This is a Tesla owner's worst nightmare, curb rash. But don't worry, there's hope. I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. It only took me 15 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to prevent curb rash in the first place. Hello everyone, I'm Johnny, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're addressing one of the biggest issues that Tesla owners face, and that is curb rash. Tesla rims just seem to be drawn to the curve, resulting in some of the worst scrapes imaginable. There are tons of Reddit posts about this, and it's common to hear stories of people scratching their rims within the first week of owning their car. That's just the worst feeling ever, and no matter how careful you are, an accident will eventually happen. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you that should prevent the curb rash from happening in the first place, but if it already happened, this will at least cover up the damage. Introducing the rim protector from EvBase. I highly recommend installing this as soon as you get your car. This will prevent or at least minimize the damage when you inevitably hit the curb. In today's video, I'm going to show you the simple installation process. I'll be installing the protectors on a rim that already has curb rash, so you'll get to see the before and afters. Then I'll share my final thoughts. Let's get started. If you want to buy these rim protectors, check the description for the link and use my code Teslatainment to save 20 bucks. Here are the instructions. It's really just 4 easy steps. I'll walk you guys through it. You want to remove the rim protector from its bag. Then you want to take this foam tape and apply it to the inside of the rim. Let me show you now. Here's the inside perimeter of the rim. This is where you'll be applying the tape. This will add extra protection for your rim, and also make sure it doesn't move around. Alright, let's speed this up. You'll want to do this to all 4 protectors. After you're done with all 4, that's actually all the prep work you need to do. Next is just clipping the rim protector on, and that part's really easy. Before I install the protector, let's take a look at the rim before. The owner hit the curb while performing a U-turn, so the bottom of the rim took a lot of damage. His car is a 2024 Model Y Performance, so it's painful to see all of this curb rash on it. Alright, now let's install the rim protector. So first, we have to find the air valve on the rim protector and then align that with the rim. Once you line it up, you can just go ahead and start pushing in the rim protector. It will require a bit of force, but make sure you push in tightly so it's secure. I even give it a little tap just to make sure it's locked in. Now let's take a closer look. I love that it's just one big piece and that's very easy to install. Now let's compare the before and after. This is the before. It's pretty scratched up. It's obviously very damaged. Let's see what it looks like after. And now, after the install. Much cleaner, covers up a lot of the scratches, and it fits in pretty flawlessly. Although, it doesn't cover up all the scratches. Here you can see a bit of it sticking out. But I will have to admit that it's a lot better than it was before. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? Let me know in the comments. And here's a side-by-side view. Let's learn from my friend's mistake and get protectors for your rims before you inevitably curb rash it. If you want to get these protectors now, check the description for the link and use my code Teslatainment. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to keep up with all things Tesla, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.